Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be diving into fault code P0161, specifically focusing on the Lambda Sensor 2 line 2, heating control circuit failure. We'll break down what this code means, its potential causes, and how to diagnose and fix the issue. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this video will equip you with the knowledge to tackle this problem head-on. So grab your tools and let's get started. The P0161 fault code indicates a problem with the heating control circuit of the oxygen sensor located on the second exhaust bank, line 2. This sensor plays a crucial role in monitoring the oxygen content in the exhaust gases, which is essential for maintaining optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Several factors can contribute to the P0161 fault code, including faulty oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor itself may be malfunctioning due to wear and tear, contamination, or internal damage. Damaged wiring or connectors. The wiring harness or connectors associated with the oxygen sensor may be damaged or corroded, leading to poor electrical connections. Open or shorted circuit. An open or shorted circuit in the heating control circuit can prevent the oxygen sensor from functioning properly. Blown fuse. A blown fuse in the heating control circuit can also cause the P0161 code to appear. PCM malfunction. In rare cases, the powertrain control module, PCM, may be malfunctioning and sending incorrect signals to the oxygen sensor. The P0161 fault code can lead to various symptoms, including illuminated check engine light, reduced fuel economy, rough idle, poor engine performance, increased emissions. If you encounter the P0161 fault code, it's crucial to diagnose and address the underlying cause promptly to avoid further complications and ensure optimal engine operation. This information is intended for general knowledge and educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional automotive advice or diagnosis. If you suspect your vehicle has a problem, consult a qualified mechanic for proper inspection and repair. The P0161 code can manifest in a variety of ways, depending on the severity of the issue and the specific vehicle. Some common symptoms include illuminated check engine light. This is the most common symptom, indicating that the engine control unit, ECU, has detected a problem with the oxygen sensor circuit. Reduced fuel efficiency. A faulty oxygen sensor can lead to inaccurate fuel-to-air ratio calculations, resulting in increased fuel consumption. Hesitation or rough idle. The engine may hesitate or run rough due to the incorrect fuel mixture caused by the malfunctioning sensor. Black smoke from the exhaust. This indicates that the engine is running rich, meaning there is too much fuel in the mixture. Strong smell of fuel. A rich fuel mixture can also lead to a strong smell of fuel coming from the exhaust. Diagnosing the P0161 code involves a series of steps to pinpoint the exact cause of the issue. Here's a general overview. Read the trouble codes. Use an OBD-II scanner to retrieve the stored trouble codes from the ECU. The P0161 code will indicate a problem with the oxygen sensor circuit. Visually inspect the oxygen sensor and wiring. Check for any visible damage to the oxygen sensor itself, as well as the wiring harness and connectors. Look for signs of corrosion, fraying, or loose connections. Test the oxygen sensor heater circuit. Use a multimeter to measure the resistance of the oxygen sensor heater element. The resistance should be within the manufacturer's specifications. Check the oxygen sensor signal. Use a scan tool or oscilloscope to monitor the oxygen sensor signal. The signal should fluctuate between 0.1 and 0.9 volts as the engine runs. Inspect the exhaust system for leaks. A leak in the exhaust system can cause inaccurate readings from the oxygen sensor. Check for any cracks, holes, or loose connections in the exhaust pipes and muffler. Once the cause of the P0161 code has been identified, the appropriate repairs can be made. Here are some common repair options. Replace the oxygen sensor. If the oxygen sensor is faulty, it will need to be replaced with a new one. Repair the wiring harness. If the wiring harness is damaged, it will need to be repaired or replaced. Replace the oxygen sensor heater relay. If the heater relay is faulty, it will need to be replaced. Fix the exhaust leak. If there is a leak in the exhaust system, it will need to be repaired or replaced. It's important to note that these are just general repair options. and the specific steps involved may vary depending on the make and model of your vehicle. Always refer to the manufacturer's service manual for specific instructions.